In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure radius in AutoCAD quickly and accurately, even if you're just getting started. This is a super useful trick when you need to check the size of a circle or arc in your drawing without guessing or manually calculating anything. Whether you're working on technical drawings, floor plans, mechanical parts, or detailed CAD designs, knowing how to measure radius can save you time and help you work more confidently. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to inspect. Make sure the file is fully open and the object you want to measure is visible on screen. You can zoom in if needed, so it's easier to select the correct arc or circle. Once your drawing is ready, go down to the command line and type MEASUREGEOM, then press Enter. This command opens AutoCAD's measurement tools and gives you several options for checking geometry. After the measurement menu appears, choose radius from the available options. This tells AutoCAD that you want to measure the radius of a curved object instead of a distance, angle, or area. Once you select radius, AutoCAD will prompt you to pick the object you want to measure. Now click directly on the arc or circle in your drawing. Try to click as close to the edge as possible so you're selecting the right shape. As soon as you select the object, AutoCAD will display the radius for you. You'll see the value appear right in the drawing area, and it will also show up in the command line. This makes it very easy to confirm the exact size of the arc or circle without using any extra tools. If you want to measure another object, you can simply repeat the same process. Type MEASUREGEOM, choose radius, and select the next arc or circle. If you're working with a lot of curves, this method is especially helpful because it gives you a fast way to verify dimensions on the spot. It's one of those small AutoCAD skills that can make a big difference in your workflow, and if you ever need to double check whether a shape matches your design requirements, measuring the radius this way is a simple and reliable solution. So, to recap, open your drawing, type MEASUREGEOM, choose radius, click the arc or circle, and read the result from the drawing or the command line. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.